Welcome back, viewers. Wardrobe design. Wardrobes design ideas. Wardrobes are amongst the essential furniture pieces in a bedroom. A great closet should allow you to store and organize your personal belongings according to your convenience. Bedroom wardrobes are a must-have for any household. From clothes to accessories to home linen, wardrobes house our essentials. In today's cramped homes, it is a necessity to get the wardrobe design right, with absolutely no room for wastage of space. At Fevical Design Ideas, we believe that good things come in large packages. Thus, we offer wardrobe design ideas that suit your taste and style, blending different requirements into one, such as wardrobe with consoles and bookshelf, etc. If the gateway to the magical land of Narnia was through an antique wooden wardrobe, your access to all favorite pieces of clothing and books could too be through a beautiful looking cupboard. Complete your dream wardrobe in deep wood tones and neutral shades via laminate sheets, or choose a mirrored style, which opens up the room to create an illusion of more space, while a classic two-door suits minimalist decor. Here, from our options, right from sliding doors to combination wardrobe designs, you are bound to find a storage space of your choice at FDI. The different types of wardrobe designs. Wardrobes are one of the commonly used pieces of furniture items in any household. Considering its usage, one should always ensure that they are easy to operate, have sufficient space, and that they complement the decor of the room. Wardrobes come in various designs, and hence we have scouted a list of different wardrobe designs below for your ready reference. Sometimes, a wardrobe can be accompanied with an attractive jeweler, or a separate console, or even with a detachable bookshelf. Freestanding wardrobes. The most common and traditional wardrobe style is the freestanding wardrobe. This type is found in almost every house on account of its movable factor. The only drawback to such wardrobe style is that it consumes more room for operation. They can be crafted out of wood, metal, or plastic. Wall-mounted wardrobes. With change in time, many are bidding goodbye to the traditional wardrobe designs and opting for wall-mounted wardrobes. The main reason for selecting this type of closet is its space-efficient design. As compared to the traditional standalone wardrobes, they use less space and offer a graceful look to any room. A wall-mounted closet can be huge or small in size. Do not forget to coat your furniture before the installment. You can use a product like Marine Coat from the stable of Pidilite to protect the bare wood of your wardrobe from moisture. With just 2 coats of Marine Coat, you get 100% moisture resistance. Sliding door